In this video, I will show you step by step why your microphone is not working on Audacity. So first of all, what we need to do is we will need to go to help in the top left hand corner, and then we want to go down to diagnostics and then select audio device info. Now, if your microphone is working and is active, what you'll see is you'll see your device located under this section right here. Now, as because I'm recording currently, it won't show anything, but for example, if you're recording with a Blue Yeti, you'll see Blue Yeti listed in this box. Now, if it's not, what you will then need to do is you will need to do some diagnostics and some troubleshooting. Now, this could be resetting your microphone. This could be closing down Audacity and then reopening it. It could be unplugging and then plugging in again the microphone that you are currently using. So try those different methods, and then once you have done all of these, what you will notice is that your microphone should then work. And then if you go to audio setup, what you'll then be able to do is you'll be able to select the microphone which you have plugged in. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix your microphone on Audacity.